Hi everyone, we're back and this time with the mojito. Mojito is an amazing drink. It's been one of my favorites over the years and it's such a simple drink. You know, it's really quick to do, a few ingredients, so simple, so good, really fresh for summer. So we're going to do it right away. We're going to start with what you need to do it. So, you know, the shaker, like I said, we're going to use it a lot. This time we're going to need a long spoon so we can mix a little bit. The knife, measuring cup, the strainer, glass. This time we're going to use this glass. This is around 430 milliliters. Probably a bit too big. 330 will be good enough, but this works. We will need obviously lime, mint, rum, white sugar. We do use white sugar for the mojito, and ice. So let's go for it. It's really simple, and we will need the ice as usual. And I said before in the other videos, you should always put the ice first, because when the lime goes in, you don't want it to lose like that fresh taste, and ice helps keeping it. So the lime, cut it in half. These have been washed, so be sure you wash your limes. Squeeze it in, and you're also going to leave the lime in, because we want those oils from the peel to get into the flavor of the mojito. It's really important, because actually that's probably the most important part of the mojito, is the flavor of the peel of that lime. Okay, we're going to add some sugar. A shallow spoon of sugar. You don't want the mojito to be too sweet. You know, it's a fresh lime drink, you don't want it to be overly sweet. So, shallow spoon of sugar. The rum, 50 milliliters. We use Plantation or Havana Club. Those are good rums, they have slight rustic taste to it, and it helps with a mojito. And the mint. Now, with the mint here, you are going to be very generous. So we like to have that like fresh mint taste, and also the mojito to have the slightly green tint that is amazing. So you will need around, let's say, 8 to 9 leaves like this. Okay, put them in. And don't forget to have some mint left to decorate the glass after, and to also have the aroma outside the glass. So here we are. So, lime, sugar, rum, mint. Cover with a glass. Like I said before, we use the shaker because I think drinks, when strained, keep all the flavor, and they don't have those annoying little pieces that get stuck in your teeth. So this is a better method. Okay, glass, put the ice in. Strainer, strain the mojito. Okay, as you can see, it has that slight green tint to it. Let's put it here. We'll top it off with water. Don't put too much. Again, like 50 to 75 milliliters of water is enough. And grab a nice looking mint. Don't forget to smack it, because that releases the oils, you know about that. Here you go. And use a long spoon to give it just a little whisk. Don't do it too much or it'll lose the gas from the water. And mojito is ready. As I said before, really nice, simple drink. It's about the proportions. Keep the proportions right and the flavor is all there. And very easy to make. Cheers. Well, it's very good. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a drink that brings amazing memories to me, to my friends. And maybe now they can stop calling me every time to get the recipe for this. They can watch YouTube like you did. So, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us. And we will see you next time for a very special treat. Portuguese sangria. And I think you will like it. It's an amazing drink and we do it the proper way.